Hi there, my name is Maria and I work on the support team here at Screencastify, and I wanted to showcase how we use both record and edit to create GIFs as a way to make how-to demonstration videos for our users. To begin, I would recommend creating a desktop recording with your mic and camera off if you are going to be making a how-to GIF. Desktop allows you to open multiple tabs and ensure that you record everything on your screen. And since there is no audio, having the mic and camera off just makes sense for this type of recording. Some other tips during the video creation and editing process is we recommend keeping the video to under 30 seconds if possible, but this can definitely be cut down in the editor if needed. All you would need to do is just select anywhere on the timeline that you would wish to cut your video, click cut, and then delete. And this would remove any portion of the video that you do not need and would also help to cut down and have it be below that 30-second mark. We also recommend using the zoom button to highlight important aspects of the how-to video. This ensures that the user or anybody viewing the GIF will focus their attention onto the specific thing that you want them to see. You can also move the zoom box, make it a little bit bigger, and then click away, and you'll see that it zooms in. So once you have finished creating and editing your video, you can then navigate to the video management page, and you will be able to export your video as a GIF. You can then download the GIF and then use this in your knowledge base to send to a user via an email or even to use for internal teams. I would say that we use GIFs just as much internally for our own documentation and training purposes as much as we use them for our users. So to see this GIF specifically in action, we have added that to our How Do I Delete an Interactive Question knowledge base article. And this GIF will walk through all of the numbered steps that are above down below. I hope this helps. Thank you.